Hi, Gordon here with another edition of the Unscripted series. You know, every year, we have been asked, do you have a Black Friday sale? And we sort of laugh at that because, all of our instruments are spoken for and we've never discounted things except a used instrument. And so we've never had a Black Friday sale. But guess what? This year we're going to have one. So that's what this video is about. Here's what we've got, and there'll be more details later in the video, but we have two instruments which are used. They have been artist demo instruments, and so they are discounted and available, and you can find them on our Available Now page of the website. And I also have two custom build slots that I am going to make available. So more details on all of that right now. One of the demo instruments is a master grade Chocolate Heart Myrtle 6-string that has been predominantly demoed by Victoria Vox. And from time to time we make an artist demo and let them use them for a while before we sell them. So that has been discounted. It's available on the website and its number is 1083. The second demo is a Concert Myrtle Bean Sprout banjo ukulele. And that one we made for Aaron to use all during this year, 2016. And that one, let me look at the number, it's 2147, also has been discounted. Both of these instruments are in excellent condition and carry a full warranty. And again, you can find the banjo as well on the Available Now page of our website. So as most of you, if not all of you know, Shar and I are retiring in the middle of 2018, and we will not be building any more Maiamoa ukuleles. Our custom build schedule is full through that time. But I have reserved a few build slots, or set aside a few build slots, just because it made me nervous to assign every one and be completely full and give us no wiggle room in case we're sick or, some unforeseen event occurs. I am going to release right now two of those build slots, and one of them is for delivery in April of 2018, and one of them is for delivery in May of 2018. They are for the build of a classic ukulele, either a 4-string or a 6-string, but that is the model. It must be a classic. So you put down your $300 deposit now. The balance is due when the instrument is completed. Again, for one of the slots, April, the other one, May of 2018. So a little bit less than a year and a half from now. And they're full custom. In other words, you get to choose the wood and configure it within the confines of it being one of our classic models. So the first two people that email me get those build slots. You can email me at maiamoeukuleles@gmail.com. So maiamoeukuleles@gmail.com. If you respond to this video or respond to Facebook, I'll just tell you to email me and I'll give you that address. So the first two people get those build slots. That's it. That's our Black Friday sale 2016. Have a great holiday week for all of you out there. And we sure do appreciate our owners and our enthusiasts. That's much of what we're thankful for this holiday week. All right. Bye-bye.